Today we're making a quick and easy sheet pan dinner with sausage, Brussels sprouts, and carrots. I am starting off with one bag or 434 grams of Brussels sprouts cut in half. And I'm going to toss these in oil to coat. Then spread them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then I have 4 carrots that have been sliced. Then I'm going to toss the carrots in some oil. And add them to the sheet pan. Then I'm going to sprinkle on half a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon pepper. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While it's baking, I'm going to slice one sausage ring and toss it in some oil to coat. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the sheet pan from the oven and flip the veggies. Then we'll add the sausage. Then we'll bake it for another 20 minutes or until the veggies are soft and the sausage is heated. And there you have it, one pan, minimal cleanup, and a hearty, flavorful dinner ready to serve. Perfect for busy weeknights. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious food coming up. See you next time.